Hi, I'm Matt Mealy, the sales manager at A&A Paving, and on behalf of our leadership team here, we want to say thank you to everyone at BOMA Suburban Chicago for the opportunity to become a new associate member. If we didn't get a chance to meet you at the day at the races, we put together a great video for you to enjoy. Thanks.